Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and today we are going to start lecture number 11 of course Retail Supply Chain Management. In this chapter we are going to talk about the technology in retail and supply chain, and these are the topics, and I tried to make this chapter very short. So before wasting time, let's move toward our first topic, which is the introduction to technology in retail and supply chain. So let's start it. In the evolution global economy, technology has become the necessary element of modern retail and supply chain. Again, we are talking about the evolution of global economy. What has become the most necessary? Technology, because this chapter is mainly all about the technology, and technology has become the necessary element of modern retail and supply chain. Businesses are increasing day by day and relying on digital solutions to improve efficiency, to reduce cost, and to enhance customer experience. The convergence of information technology and operational processes in the retail sector has revolutionized how products are sourced, stored, sold, and delivered. The main thing is, if you talk about in supply chain, how the product are sourced, stored, sold, and delivered. So let's move toward the next topic, which is the evolution of technology in supply chain, and I have made the comparison of two, the traditional supply chain and with the digital supply chain. So if you talk about the information flow in the traditional means the old practices. So the information in the traditional, we know that the slow information flow, and it's a manually information that flow in the system or in the departments. If you talk about the digital supply chain, automated and integrated information flows in the digital supply chain. Secondly, customer integration, how customer integrated or customer link with it. Like you can talk about the traditional, so the limited customers are integrated or interacted. Secondly, digitally, so overall you talk about the world, the customers, you're interacting with the whole world, with the different countries, different vendors. So it's you can say that advantage of the technology evolution and the digital supply chain. Forecasting, historical based data, like you have the previous data, mainly it's raw data or not the arranged data. If you talk about the digital supply chain, we mainly use AI, artificial intelligence, ML, which is the machine learning. So these are the digital platforms which help in forecasting the data, and these platforms, these AI model, the two different software give you the accuracy as compared to the historical based data in the traditional. Fourth thing, which is the inventory management. In traditional, you only deal with a single few or periodic review. On the other hand, if you talk about digital supply chain, you use the multiple dynamic real-time optimization, real-time inventory. So this is the advantage of the digital supply chain. Next, we are talking about the core technologies transforming the retail supply chain. What are the core technologies? These are the few core technologies. RFIDs, which is the radio frequency identification, is mainly used in the different marts or stores. Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence is the most common things, and the machine learning, blockchain technology, robotics and automations, big data analytics, cloud computing. So these are the core technologies transforming retail and supply chain. Okay, next we have the technology in various supply chain functions. What functions are? Procurement, manufacturing and production, warehousing and inventory management, transportation and logistics, retail and point of sale, POS. Let's talk about the procurement technology. What technology uses? E-procurement platform. There are different platforms like platforms, supplier management softwares are present. What are the benefits of these? Supplier transparency, digital bidding, compliance tracking in procurement. Secondly, if you talk about the manufacturing and production, What technology will use? Internet of Things sensors, IoT sensors are used. AI in production planning. What are the benefits of these? Reduce downtime, predictive maintenance, lean production. Okay. Next we have warehousing and inventory management. What technology will use here? WMS, which means warehouse management system. Secondly, AGVS, which is the automated guided vehicles, or we can also use drones in warehouse and inventory management. Fourth thing is the transportation and logistics function. Fourth function is what technology mainly use in transportation and logistics? GPS, or not R, GPS tracking, autonomous vehicles are used. What are the benefits of these? Route optimization, fuel saving, real time visibility. Fifth function, which is the retail and point of sale technologies. What technology use? Self checkout kiosks. Like if customer is there passing through the checkpoint, so no person can be stand there, it can just go through their kiosk, and RFID or different some technology used. So if the customer buy the few things, so that technology scan and just deduct their money from their account. So self checkout kiosks, mobile payments, AR, VR. What are the benefits? Faster checkouts, improved customer segment personalized offers. Okay. Next, talking about the benefits of technology integration. These are the benefits and these are the descriptions. Efficiency gains. First benefit, efficiency gain. Reduce lead time, automations of manual tasks. Automation of manual tasks are performed automatically. Automation. Cost reduction, lower labor cost, lower labor, transportation and inventory cost. The main thing is that these how cost reduce: lower labor, transportation and inventory cost. Real-time invisibility, immediate access to operational data. Okay. Enhance customer service, how customer service enhance: personalized shopping, faster delivery. Okay. Improve decision making, how decision can be improved: data driven strategic planning. So these are the few benefits, and the benefits description is over here. Okay, this is how you can just benefits of the technology integration. The main thing is the challenge. If anything that have the benefits, so on the other hand they are the challenges of that thing. What a big challenge in implementing technology? First big challenge is the high initial cost. What's that? Setting up RFID, robotics and AI systems involves significant investments. High investment, because if any company implement this, so they have to pay the high initial cost. Secondly, data security and privacy. Cyber security threats increase with more chances to lose data. If any company uses their have no privacy on their data security, so there's a chance to lose their data. If the company loses the data, if the company loses their information, so it's a become the advantage for the competitor. So this is a high challenge for companies to secure the data. Okay, next thing is the change management. This is the most interesting. Change management, resistance from the employees to adopt new technology. What thing? Resistance from the employees to adopt new technology, because how, if new system implement in any organization firm, so the first thing employees resist to adopt that technology. Same thing over here, integration complexity. If that system is implemented, so there is a lot of because you know that the employees have adopted the old system, they are very much familiar about that. The new technology implemented, so it give a tough time to the employees, and it take time to learn to understand the new technology. So integration complexity, because every technology have new things to learn, new different platforms or different things because it gives you more solution. So it's hard for the employees and hard for the organization to adopt all these things. Case study, if we talk about a case study, we have already done the case study in our class presentations. We have discussed about the Walmart, Apple, FedEx, Imtiaz Store, Daras, Metro, Tesla, IKEA, Zara. I have already uploaded few videos. Inshallah, I will upload more videos about the case study and the activity that we have done in the class. So thank you very much. This is all from this chapter, and I hope you learned new things over here. Once again, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.